Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is built to last because you don't build a legacy on chance. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: V8 engine, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, rear wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.